Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G42 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. You can try to soft reset it so your device will reset the system and hopefully it will work perfectly fine. So let me try to do it. All we have to do is to press the power button, which is located right here, and the volume up button together and wait approximately like 5 or 8 seconds until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me do it. Let me press both of those buttons. As you can see, we've got this restart option here, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it because of some kind of screen problems, etc. So keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is good. I felt the vibration. In a second, we should see the developer's logo, which simply means that we just successfully restart our device. If you cannot see the developer's logo, you can simply try to turn it on. So just by pressing the power button. So as you can see, this operation in this device needs 2 different steps. So first of all, turn it off completely just by pressing the power button and the volume up button, and then turn it on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.